I don't know what they expected, Beshai Schoon. Pela Uzolet was in prison for a very long time, and I think we all know what they say about people come from prison. Not being intimate for that period of time can easily get a woman pregnant, which was the case with our couple. You know what? I don't even know why in Landa, but what I'm trying to say is that Thandiswa is pregnant, ladies and gentlemen, and I want us to talk about that and more here in this video. But first, I would like to request you to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Anyone would come here and tell us that they expected this to happen would be lying. I think we all never expected this to happen. We never expected that Thandiswa could get pregnant. At the same time, news that she's pregnant are a bit exciting for me. And I must say that I'm really entertained. I mean, we all want the show to get entertained after all. What's boring about this whole thing is the fact that things are going to change now between Thandiswa and Zwelethu. More especially since they have different opinions about this. Pela, Thandiswa doesn't want the baby. She even told Leroy not to tell anyone, more especially Zwelethu, about her pregnancy, and that she's going to get rid of that child. But Leroy being Leroy, he was against all of that. He then went straight to Zwelethu and told him everything. He told him that Thandiswa is pregnant and that she's planning on terminating the pregnancy, which helps Zwelethu a lot since he didn't have a clue of what was going on. All he knew was the fact that Thandiswa fainted while they were on a mission to Ben Caesar's house. So we now wait to see whether Zwelethu will be able to stop Thandiswa before she terminates the baby, or he'll be too late. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed this content, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.